Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the VR alert indicator for MT4. Alright, so the indicator is actually going for sale on the MQL5 marketplace. However, we are going to be describing how the indicator functions using the free demo. Right, so you just click on free demo. If you have the MT4 installed, you can just click on that and then grant access to your MT4. Okay, so once you have done that, the VR alert should be added as a demo, right? So you're just going to drag and drop, and then you can test it using the strategy tester. Because it's a demo version, it can only be run on the strategy tester. All right, so basically the VR alert indicator is designed to inform the trader when the price reaches a given level. Okay, we can see that the indicator has a sort of dashboard displayed here, right? Or a tool section, and then you can see this is for showing growth buffers. This is for showing buffers for reduction. You can see that here, right? You can see this. And then this is to enable alert notification, and this is to enable color notification, and then this is for mail notification, and then this is for push notification. All right, then if you want to hide or show the control buttons. Okay, so basically, according to the description on the MQL5 marketplace, the signal levels can be set not only horizontally but also inclined, right? Remember that this is a demo version. Okay, we're just using the strategy tester on the MT4 platform to explain how the indicator functions. Then if you still want to know more about the indicator, you can actually go check out the indicator on the MQL5 marketplace, and if it meets your satisfaction, only then should you proceed to make the necessary financial commitment. All right, now according to the recommendations, you should configure the terminal to send push messages, right, to your smartphone, and then also you should configure the terminal to send email messages. You can see the tools section here, as we have already talked about. All right, and then the VR alert should notify you in the selected way when the price reaches the given level. All right, so according to the information on the MQL5 marketplace, the indicator cannot work. Okay, we can see that the indicator has already given us a sort of alert, right? As price dropped below this particular alert level that we set, right? You can see, you can actually adjust this. So if price should, you can see that, right? So basically the info on the MQL5 says that the indicator cannot work in the strategy tester, right? But you can rent the program for a short time to test it in operation, right? So we just got a glimpse of how the indicator functions right here. So you might not get the full functionality. You might not get the full functionality on the strategy tester, but at least to get an idea of how the indicator works. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.